The Wayflex Folding Stepper, the revolutionary multifunctional folding stepper that will allow you to train at home safely, efficiently, and while having fun. The Wayflex Folding Stepper is an advanced stepper with practical handlebars, guaranteeing perfect balance and incredible results. Thanks to the balance of weight, it is safe for people of all ages. Without using the bands, you only work out your lower body and do cardio to get back in shape and feel good. But that's not all, because the Wayflex Folding Stepper has 2 resistance bands that will make your workout even more complete and effective. Alternate the leg movement on the stepper part and the arm movement with the resistance bands. You'll quickly feel your body get into gear, and all this in the comfort of your own home. Light, practical, simple, because it will arrive already assembled. The Wayflex Folding Stepper is the only one with this practical integrated display, so you can monitor your workout and progress made. Easy, foldable, and reclosable. It takes up very little room and can be transported anywhere to train and keep you in shape wherever you go.
Similar products can cost an absolute fortune. Don't waste your money, because today we have a very special offer. Order right now and we'll give you a 50% discount. Yes, you heard right. It's yours at half our regular price. But wait, there's more. Order right now and we'll give you this as our special gift to you for free. That's right, it's yours absolutely free. And there's still more. If you order in the next 20 minutes, we'll send it by express delivery for free. Anywhere in the country, but you must order now. Plus, try it for 30 days, and if you're not completely satisfied, return it for a full refund. No questions asked. Now, you've got nothing to lose. It's 100% risk-free. This is a limited time offer and it's only available while stocks last. You get it all. Everything you see here, all for a special low discounted price. So don't wait, don't delay, don't miss out. Order now by sending us a comment or message us right here to live chat for our discounted price, or visit our website, or simply call the number below. Payment is super easy. You choose cash on delivery, credit card, mobile payment. But hurry, this is a limited time offer and is not available in any store anywhere, so you must order right now. So don't delay. Chat message with us or just call right now.